So we already know very well that if your Mach number is if you have any Mach number and that Mach number is less than 1, then that is subsonic, and if Mach number is more than 1, then that is supersonic. But in this video I will give you some more detailed explanations. Also for transonic, between 0.8 to 1.2, or you can say 1.3, that is transonic zone, right, for the Mach number. And when we explain supersonic, we simply say more than 1 is supersonic. But again, in supersonic, when you are going more than 1, there also you have lot of classifications you can see here. We consider from 1.2, or you can say from 1.3 to 5 as a supersonic. But when Mach number goes beyond 5, you can say hypersonic. But when Mach number goes beyond 10, you can say between 10 to 25, you can say high hypersonic. And when Mach number goes beyond 25, then you will say re-entry, that range. And you can say below 0.8 we say subsonic, but casually we say less than 1 is subsonic. In subsonic range again, we have range like 0.3 is also a Mach number, which below 0.3 you have incompressible flow, and above 0.3 you have compressible flow, right? I hope this will add some value in your preparation.